Hello, everyone. Welcome to week 7. It's great to be back. I hope everything's well. I've noticed that all of you have been doing a great job on your work. And I just wanted to start this week 7 video by saying congratulations to the 4 students who have already posted their week 6 video responding to the article about COVID-19 and vaccinations. I can see Annie said that, she responded to question 1. Nitra responded to question 2. Walter here says, a good opportunity to share ideas. Thank you, Walter. And then we also have Katya, who said she answered the question about the COVID-19 vaccine booster drive. Great. I'm just so happy with everyone following along with the class and doing the work. Great job, everyone. I wanted to quickly point out a new tool that I'm using. I hope everyone can see it. If you noticed, I added a comment in the Google Stream, and then I was able to comment on my own comment and with a voice message. So let me click it and see if you can hear it here on the video. So here you can see I'm using this tool here called Mote in the Google Stream, but I'm also using it in other spaces like here. I told you earlier in the last video, when you see this blue text, the highlighted text, you can also find my motes there. So I have not finished responding to this assignment. I know I'm a little bit behind, but please look for my motes. I also wanted to just maybe quickly share that I can add the motes to your essays. Here is the different essays that you have added, and I can add the motes to your essays. Sorry if I'm showing a little bit of someone's work. Okay, so I hope everyone understands that I'm going to be using these voice messages to help provide more feedback to all of you. Let's go into the homework for week 7. So if we go up to week 7, everyone, we can see that there are basically 3 things that we need to do. One of them is short, so please don't worry. So the first thing I'd like all of us to do is we're going to choose a resource from the syllabus, but they're all right here on this assignment. And then we're going to answer one of these 2 questions. So how has COVID affected the way you think about your own health? Why? And how has COVID affected the way you think about work jobs? So you get to choose one of these questions. So everyone, first choose a resource. Now you can see you can choose a resource about COVID and health, or about COVID and jobs and work. And then also you could even choose one of the resources about career choices. I think I need to add one more there, actually. After you choose one of these resources, then choose a quote from one of the resources, because I think we always should be practicing that, choosing an actual piece of the text, like information or a statistic or an idea, and then using that quote to help us in our response. This is a very important essay writing skill that we need for the TOEFL test or the Bunker Hill admissions test or the UMass Boston test. So we should always be practicing that. So remember, choose a resource, then choose a quote, then choose one of these questions to answer. Similar to other assignments, we are going to add our ideas into this chart. Maybe you're tired of doing this again, but I love doing this because we get to see everyone's ideas. I get to comment on them and you all get to see my comments. It's a public space. It's like having a conversation with all of us together. Now also see here, I added a mote here to kind of give you a little bit more instructions. If you can read through this, but then you can also click on my voice message. I'm trying to use all the tools that we have to help us, okay? So that's assignment number 1. Assignment number 2 is to go and find your partner's video on the stream about COVID and just quickly respond to their video. This shouldn't take you more than an hour or so, everyone. I'm trying to see here. I just want you to watch your partner's video, take some notes, spend 15 minutes watching your partner's video, then answer one of these two questions, or you can answer both of them. What is one thing you learned or liked from your partner's video? So this is sort of like a positive comment. And then what is one thing that you did not understand or want to learn more about? This is something providing feedback to your partner that maybe something was unclear or something that they could explain more. And of course, you're not getting graded on your video or anything like this. This is just a way to provide conversation. You know, say, oh, wow, I really liked how you talked about why the government's strategy for promoting the COVID-19 vaccine has been unsuccessful. Thank you for sharing that. However, maybe you could explain more about, and you could do that. So really this assignment, everyone shouldn't take you more than 1 hour. For the last little thing you need to do, everyone, is we have an evaluation, an early cycle class evaluation. So if I click on this link, everyone, here is the form that you need to fill out. This is to help Shinobu and the people at AACA and myself understand how you're doing in this course. So you need to select, all of you are in my class, so select DLB, and you need to answer these questions about the way you're feeling in this class. There's also a space here that is sort of more about you, right? Like how much work have you been doing and how are you feeling, etc. These things. So I hope everyone can understand that. I also am trying to experiment. I left the instructions in a voice message. I don't know, check that out, everybody. Let's see how that works. It's a 33-second voice message, but anyway, you know that you need to fill out this Google form. Okay, so everyone, you can see here are the 3 assignments. You know, there's also a number 4 in case you want to work on your English through Voxy, or you can also look at your short essay assignment, everyone. I will be responding to your short essays today, tomorrow, and the next day, and you can look at all of your feedback that you have there. Please let me know if you have any questions, everyone. Thanks so much. It's been a pleasure to be here with DLB. I'll see you next week.